Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the Chef IQ Mini Oven, a smart 11-in-1 countertop toaster oven and air fryer combo that brings versatility and speed to your kitchen. This 25-quart convection oven delivers 1,750 watts of power, allowing you to bake, broil, air fry, dehydrate, and more with fast, even cooking. Its 11 cooking functions let you handle a wide variety of meals, from crispy fries to tender roasts, all in one compact appliance. The intuitive touchscreen controls make operation simple and precise, while the compact design fits neatly on your countertop without sacrificing capacity. Smart technology ensures consistent results, while air frying functionality allows you to enjoy healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. If you're looking for a versatile, powerful, and convenient kitchen appliance that combines a toaster oven and air fryer in one, the Chef IQ Mini Oven is an excellent choice. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you.